During World War I at the Battle of the Neck in Gallipoli on August 7, 1915, the Turkish army, well prepared for defense, braced themselves as they knew the Allies would charge in waves to try and break their line. The first assault collapsed under withering Turkish machine gun fire. And the second fell just as swiftly, bodies littering the narrow strip of no man's land. A third and fourth wave followed, each cut down by disciplined volleys, leaving the ground soaked in blood. Yet, in the chaos of the fifth desperate charge, one Australian soldier, Private William McGregor, managed to stagger into the Turkish trench, rifle in hand. Only to be cut down at point-blank range, his brief breach swallowed instantly by the unyielding defense.